Could this be the clutch for the clutch slam? We need to pay for this clutch.
$5 grand for the clutch. Oh! Official Lamborghini hyperventilating bag.
Welcome back to another episode of Daily German Exotics. Today I'm gonna go find out what the hell Damon Fryer broke on the Murcielago. That's the funny thing. People say Dave destroys everything, but if you go back and look at the history of DDE, Damon has broken way more things, including friendships, which I'm also gonna mend today. Hey Mark! Hey Alex!
This ain't your stop, pizza boy.
This is my stop! This is my home! Let me come back! I just wanna come back, you guys, I missed you!
Hey, you're the sexy one, you can stay.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, she's pretty. In fact, if you like yellow Lamborghinis, this is the place to be. Is this the yellow Lamborghini club? Because all I see yellow Lamborghinis here. And that orange piece of shit. I got really jealous. I was not in the yellow Lamborghini club, so I brought my car here. I'm leaving it with you. It's yours.
We have plenty of yellow Lamborghinis.
They're beautiful.
560, we have first gen Superleggera, we have Murcielago.
We'll get to that in a minute, because that's the title and thumbnail today. Damon broke on the Murcielago.
The problem is that he's just doing what every new Mercy owner does.
Drive it like a Huracan?
We didn't name it the Clutch Slayer. Totally.
No?
Totally. Yeah, you could have almost gotten to the East Coast in one clutch.
There it is, Mark. There's my baby. Have you seen a Squadra here before?
Yeah, I have actually.
Really?
Trofeos, we've seen them all.
Oh, I thought it was special. Boys. I come bearing gifts. You know what? We've all been through a lot together. There's been highs, there's been lows, there's been Damon'S, which is, I would say,
that's
probably
always
a low. It's a low.
Oh,
Vincero's hooking it up, you guys.
Dave is too good to us.
Dude.
How come Damon never brings us gifts?
dude.
Man.
True colors.
Yeah.
Fame has made you appreciate everybody, Dave. What's up, dude?
What? I thought you said you brought a gift.
I did. There was in it.
What kind of gag is this?
They're missing.
Hey, did you guys see what we got from good old DDE?
Oh, nice. That's a nice box.
Hold on. Where did you guys get those? Did you steal those watches? No. They stole
You
them!
left the car unattended for 2 minutes.
You guys, this video is sponsored today by Vincero. Alright, gentlemen, since you stole the Vincero watches, you're now gonna help me with this sponsored video. Do you know what Vincero means in Italian?
Thief?
Literally means I will win. Are you guys winners? You are winners. Those are some sexy watches. Let's take a look at them closer. So here's the deal with Vincero, you guys. They make beautiful designer looking watches for like 10% the cost of a big expensive, you know, one of those big brands that I can't afford. So literally between like 100, 200 bucks, get yourself a beautiful watch. If you guys want to get a Vincero watch, you guys, link in description. Right now, the DDE family gets a discount just for you guys. We're hooking it up. This is their top selling watch. That is a real leather strap. I also have a real leather strap. And mine's a bit more of like a carbon, you know, style. There's sporty watches. You can get it custom engraved. Whatever you want, you can have. Link in description.
That's the new AGX Mercy exhaust.
Sick.
We're gonna secretly switch it into Damon's car.
Are you?
Yeah, but we're not gonna tell him.
You got your celebrity male model plate in. They don't do a vanity plate? You took it for real, right?
Damon told me to, and he was joking, but I thought he was serious.
Dave. Hashtag you.
Could this be why I have more followers than Damon? Because I have the plate with my Instagram on, people see it and follow me?
Either that or the sex appeal. One of the two.
You've been Dave.
Put a hashtag in front of
It'll
it.
be like a metaphor for like when you've come up in life. Like, oh, he's been daved. You
Coffee to Lambo.
You can't talk to him anymore.
No, it's when you rise and instantly fail the next day. That's Dave. Is this a rain light?
It is a rain light. Ferrari rain light.
Really? Can I put it on the Squadra?
Sure, we can make it work.
I should do two rain lights to show up Damon.
Rain lights make everybody happy.
Do they?
I don't know.
Don't cover that plate up. That's my meal ticket.
No? Right there?
Oh yeah. What about in here?
You go there.
That's so clean looking
I don't
like
know if
that.
I do a Ferrari one. I think we might have to do the regular rain light.
Mitch, what should be the first mod to the Squadra Corsa? Besides a new driver.
Besides rain light?
Besides a rain light.
Gotta make it loud.
It already has an exhaust.
It's not exhaust, it's stock exhaust.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You think it's stock?
I know so.
How do you know?
Because I whisper these cars.
What the hell are you even doing right now? Do you even know?
Just routing wires, bro.
This looks like a new iron harness to
I'm
me.
faking it for the
Is that
camera.
new?
Yeah.
Somebody hit my mirror yesterday on the Squadra and chipped the corner. Or then chip it, they scratched the resin, I think. Can that be repaired? Do you have the technology and the steady hands to pull off that procedure? Not so much.
Maybe.
No, it's not awful. It's not awful. But it's there. That little guy right there. Is that in the carbon or the resin?
Well, we might be able to just polish it out. It doesn't look cracked or nothing.
What are you working on over here, Mitch? You changing VIN numbers on me? Is this a VIN number swap?
Dave, I need you to. Do you think you can manage this washer?
Yep.
So no. He's gonna hold. You gotta hold it in there, and he's gonna put a bolt through it.
Now higher?
I can't go higher. God damn you, push it up.
I can't push it up.
He can't push it.
Push it up! Why would you put this pressure on me? I crack under pressure.
It's like-
you good?
No.
Well, I need to know where it's going. I know what I'm playing for here.
Just keep it up
right
high.
There. No, go back. Right there, stop, don't move.
Don't
Did you
move.
get it? Did I win something?
You're too high, but
No, he fell. Oh, you dropped it.
I didn't drop anything, it's in my hand.
Alright, let it go.
Let it go? There's no way that wasn't in the right spot. That was perfect.
our ever-present efforts to make you look foolish.
A package was just delivered quickly, dropped off. It says Lamborghini on it. Could this be the clutch for the clutch slayer?
It's the missing link.
We got an oil filter and some bolts. Literally, it's from Lamborghini, like legit. Was that overnight from Italy?
From Japan.
Sounds like Damon's head.
Sounds like it.
Let me ask you a question, Mark.
No more questions,
How much?
Dave.
How much is this clutch? Just the clutch itself. How much was it going to cost me?
Plus the box.
The box. Yeah, I want the box.
Everybody wants the box. The box actually. People ask us all the time for these boxes.
So for real, though, how much for retail is this clutch? Yes, we pay for stuff.
No, you guys get it for free.
No, we do not.
You guys did not pay for this clutch.
100% we paid for this clutch.
Mitch paid for this out of his own allowance.
$5,300 for this clutch?
No, $53.
No, it's not. It's $5,300. Oh my god. Oh, you guys, buy a Ventura watch. Links in description. We need to pay for this clutch. Why is it so small for a big engine like
Not
that?
the size that matters, okay? Not
So,
always.
you were told once at the gas station.
Maybe.
That's what we say here. We say it's not the size.
Oh.
It's not the size of your exhaust. Smaller is actually better.
So there is a Lamborghini OEM Murcielago clutch.
Yes, sir.
There's the springs. There's the input shaft. There's a surface. There's a facial hair. There's a head hair.
And here's a thumbprint.
Grease it up.
Should
Grease
we
it
just
up.
grease it up
If you
so-
lube it, it'll last longer, won't it?
Absolutely.
See, I've actually done my own clutch jobs before on my Honda Civic and my Acura Integra. I sold them after immediately. And I was like, I have extra bolts if you want them.
Did they still run?
I don't know. This is decades ago. Look at the girth of that thing.
Oh, yeah.
So why can't you reuse the flywheel and pressure plate with the new clutch?
Because that way we can't charge you for new ones.
That's a good point.
There is Damon's pride and joy. We don't know for sure if it's the clutch. We assume it's the clutch. We knew the clutch was on its way out.
Yeah.
But you have to pull the motor to find out.
Well, we're gonna have to pull it to go through it.
How many hours of labor will it take to do a re and re of that motor with the clutch, if it's just the clutch?
Driving it on the rack, backing it back off the rack, a little less than 2 days. 2 days or so.
16 hours.
More than that.
20 hours. All right, you guys. Mark's not so much a numbers guy. Mitch is like oh my God, Mitch. You must be running this place because your office is filthy.
Yeah, well, you know, it's sponsored.
This is an awkward job interview seating. So, tell me. Give me some numbers here. So Mark gave me some hints, but he's being a little coy, a little shy, a little Marky Mark.
Yeah.
How much the clutch?
$5,000 for the clutch. Plus pain and suffering, plus
Punitive damages?
punitive damages.
So realistically, if you burn a clutch in a Mercy, you're 10, 15, depending on what they find.
Easily. Official Lamborghini hyperventilating bag.
Oh, perfect. Hold on.
So, you know, when it's tough.
Here's a question for you. Why does a Murcielago clutch last such a short lifespan compared to other cars?
Let's see. Well, we have Damon,
Yes.
gas pedal.
Yeah.
Just put it together.
Not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like.
Dave was trying to negotiate the bill. And I was like, that ain't gonna happen. He's like, can we go to a quiet place and let's talk about it? And I was like, you know how that goes.
I'll let you guys have
That's what it is, you guys. We have to spend some money here at Avant-Garde. You guys are good guys. You deserve it. What do you do to help prolong the life of the next clutch?
It's funny
Help me out
that
here.
you asked that because we've been working on something and have just the solution for Mr. Fryer. Check this out. Mark, show him what we did.
What'd you do, Mark?
We decided to make the shifter
Oh my God!
absolutely the heaviest thing on earth, so Damon will just get tired of shifting anyone good. And if that doesn't work, we decided we would actually jam the clutch pedal so he couldn't push the clutch pedal down.
Well, that's good for Area 51.
Yeah, but it's
Dual purpose.
a nose picker trimmer.
Wow, Damon needs that as well, actually.
See?
That's a 6-speed.
Honestly, I think it's too good for Damon.
Yeah.
Oh! check out this wide body Aventador. What do you think, Mitch?
I love it.
You love it? I think the wider the car, the crazier it looks, to be honest with you. Like, this thing is wide. The only one downside with doing a wide body I've discovered is if you do a lot of rallies to ship your car. Like, even the Mercy,
that is tough.
It's hard to fit in the back of a trailer. Look at the girth. What would Stradman say right now? Girth Nation, or views on views. The Squadra is scheduled at PFS 2 weeks from now. I've seen the design. I'm super excited. I can't hint at it. Just know that, you know, the Squadra looks really cool in bright yellow. It's gonna have a little bit of the nuances of that wrap in there, but it's gonna be very, 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 very different at the same time.
here?
So.
Chop shop.
Chop shop!
Hold that. It's right there.
Yeah, speed things up if that's the case. Just cut bolts.
I'm gonna put out the challenge. This will be the loudest Aventador in the world.
Really?
Yep.
I remember when I had like a Honda Civic, it was like, you just got into the car and it was right there, but supercar is all inside. So a
always
Honda
one
Civic
chunk.
and a supercar are different. They're different.
Dude, we should go home. We figured it all out. Let's go home.
I just discovered something.
Oh my
the
God.
engineering is different between a supercar and a Civic. So about the Murcielago, we figured out our price. And the question now is, when? When can it be done? Because you need to drive it to Canada.
What?
Yeah, August Dream Rally, you guys, August 4th.
So let me get this straight. We're gonna fix it.
Yes.
And you guys are gonna go play with it.
Can you fix the air conditioning? Because if we're driving that thing to Canada, it needs AC.
Would you rather have a functioning clutch or air conditioning?
Air conditioning.
So this is a known issue with Murcielagos. Every one of these is practically over tightened from the factory. And whenever you go to take the AC lines off the AC compressor, that's what it does.
Oh, is that one stripped?
Yeah, that's an old one.
Squatters are getting wrapped, so it can't come to the Dream Rally. But take one car to Canada. I think it should be the Mercy. I appreciate all you guys do here at AGX.
You've said that like 9 times. If you say it that many times, it becomes suspect.
If you guys have a supercar, probably a Lamborghini. It's a big Lamborghini place. They also do Ferraris and everything else. Come to AGX.
Aww.
You get the DDE surcharge. They add 10% to every... It's that time. I have a flight in 1 hour. I need to hurry. Do not go anywhere yet. I want to talk to you guys about something very important, so don't leave. Bye for now, Lamborghini. Appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, so here's the thing. When you're creating the most craziest entertainment automotive content in the world, it definitely comes with a few challenges. Countless flights, time away from family, a severe lack of sleep. Thankfully, there's coffee. We also have the best fans on YouTube. And that's where we need your help. See, the internet wants bigger, louder, and crazier content each and every single day. Now, you know we're down for that. We're down to push limits, but I want to hear your opinion. What do you want to see more of? Comment below. What do you want to see us do for the rest of 2019? Should we get a big epic house in LA and fill it full of people? Should we do more road trips, more crazy car builds, more cars, more Hummer content? You guys, comment below. I'm super, super curious what you want to see. I'm going to spend time and read each and every one of your comments, and we'll do my best to reply to everybody. So comment below, what do you want to see? Also, while you're at it, tell me, what's your favorite episode of Daily Driven Exotics and why did you like it? Okay, you guys, that's it for this episode. It is actually 2:30 in the morning. It took me 12 hours to get home. That's the grind. Thank you to Ventura Watches for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want epic timepiece, links are in description. I'll see you guys next video. I'm going to bed.